Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to show you one very interesting example of image segmentation in digital image processing. So what is image segmentation? Image segmentation is nothing but segmenting or just dividing your original image into small segments or small parts based on certain criteria. Okay, so already in my previous video I have shown you how you can clear the border objects present in binary image using morphological operation. So based on that one image segmentation I am going to show you. Okay, very important example and frequently asked in digital image processing related interview process. Okay, so this is one rice.png image present in MATLAB database itself. Now you need to segment this particular image. Okay, there is rice particles, you need to apply segmentation. So how you can differentiate or make category of different rice particles? One simple idea is there are some rice particles which are not connected with the boundary, and there are some rice particles which are basically directly connected with the boundary or border. Okay, so suppose we want to make those rice particles which are not directly connected with the boundary one particular user defined color, and those rice particles which are connected to boundary, for them we want to assign some other color which is user defined. Okay, based on that we want to apply segmentation. So how you can do that? Obviously we need to apply the concept of clearing the border elements, but before that this is grayscale image and you need to apply required pre-processing stage to before converting or applying thresholding technique to convert this image to binary image. And what is thresholding technique, what pre-processing technique you need to apply? That is nothing but top hat transformation, right? Because you can see the background is not uniformly illuminated in our this particular case. The central part is brighter and the edges part or the border parts are darker. Okay, so we need to give uniform illumination in this particular image, and then we can apply thresholding on this. Okay, so the required pre-processing step I have already discussed in detail when I was discussing the top hat transformation. That link of that video I will be posting in the description box. If you want you can check. Okay, so here I have written that CLC clear closure warning of I equal to imread rice.png figure im show I, title is original image. Then I am performing top hat transformation, that is image erosion, then dilation. Okay, that is image opening we are applying, and that opened image we have subtracted from our original image. Okay, and on that image we are applying basically thresholding. Okay, using global thresholding, so im binarize eg. Okay, so no threshold value we are defining, that means MATLAB will automatically define as global threshold value. And im show output, title is image after converting the top hat transformation, transformed image to binary image. Okay, because eg, that is original image minus the opened image, is basically top hat transformation, and we are applying thresholding on that, that is we are converting to binary image. So if I just select this particular part and show you the output, you will be getting this particular output where all the rice particles are beautifully thresholded. Okay, all are visible. Now our main part comes, that is segmentation. So for segmentation what we can do? First, take those objects which are not connected with the border. So im clear border op is this one, right? That is thresholded image. So this ES will be giving us the one image where there will be no such rice particle which is connected with the border line. Okay, and to get the rice particles which are connected to the border, what you have to do? You have to subtract that clear border object from the original OP. So bordered object BOR equal to OP minus ES. Okay, then what we can do, let me just show you those objects once for understanding purpose. Okay, so if I run this whole code, what I will be getting, see how beautifully we are basically already segmented our original rice image to two different parts. One is those rice particles only which are not connected to the border line, and one is those rice particles which are connected to the border line. Okay, so if you observe some particles which are not directly connected with the border line, but see this particle, it is connected with such rice particle which is connected with the border line, those also detected. Okay, for the time being, no problem in that. All right, now what we can do, we need to give color, user defined color. So for that purpose, let me just remove this line, and I am creating two empty matrix. First calculating the size of our original image, and based on that I am creating BORA for borderline objects coloring purpose, and we are traversing in our original image. So that is bordered image. If border object is equal to 1, that means their object is present. We are making that BORA, which is basically geometrics of 3-dimensional geometrics, that green channel we are making 255. So all the border objects will be colored as green. Okay, same like that I am defining INTA, that is internal object for that INTA, and we are traversing our ES. ES is storing what? ES is storing our only internal rice particles which are not connected to the boundary, and if that particular rice particle we are encountering, then we will make the red channel as 255. Okay, so as a result, if we add INTA and BORA together, what we will be getting? All the boundary particles will be colored as green, and all the internal particles will be colored as red. Okay, so let me just show you. If I just run evaluate selection, see how beautifully segmentation is done. So this is our thresholded image, and this is our image after applying segmentation, where how we have segmented, we have given color for all the boundary or borderline objects green color and internal particles red color. Okay, you can give your the color according to your requirement. Like I can give INTA I comma J comma 2 also equal to 255. So red 255, green 255. Red green together, what it makes? Yellow color. So all the internal particles will be yellow color. So if you observe here, all the internal particles now yellow color, whereas border lines are green color. Like this segmentation you can do based on IM clear border. Okay, so this is various application of the concept of morphological image processing, whatever I have shown you: top hat transformation, then clearing border objects, morphological reconstruction. Okay, all this. So this is all for this video. Whole code will be posted in the description box or in the comment section. If you want, you can check there, and you no need to worry about this particular image rice.png because it is directly available in our MATLAB database itself. You can take as it is. Okay, thank you for watching.